Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain to you how to fix Huawei phone not entering recovery mode. Huawei recovery mode can easily solve many problems. The factory reset function and safe mode are very useful. They can solve most problems except software. But if your Huawei phone won't go into recovery mode, it means that you cannot restore the factory settings or enter safe mode through recovery mode. This may cause you great inconvenience in certain situations. Please watch and try the methods in the video patiently. We will tell you how to fix Huawei phone not entering recovery mode. Try all the steps here in the order we present. The instructions here work for almost all series of Huawei phones including Mate series, Pura series, Pocket series, Ascend W series, Ascend Y series, Nova series, Ascend GX series, G series, T series, U series, Y series, Honor series, Enjoy series and so on. The following are the common reasons why Huawei phone won't get into recovery mode. For example, if the update fails, if the phone loses power or shuts down unexpectedly during the system update process, it may cause system damage. Software problems, if a third-party application has compatibility issues or fails itself, it will also affect the Huawei phone from entering recovery mode. Hardware problems, failure of the phone's components may also cause the Huawei phone not entering recovery mode. It may even be that the correct key combination is not used, and the Huawei key combination in the video is the power button and the volume up button. If your Huawei phone cannot enter recovery mode using this key combination, you can tell us what your Huawei model is in the comments section. How to fix a Huawei phone that won't enter recovery mode. We have found and prepared some simple methods that you can try to help you solve the problem of Huawei phone won't enter restore mode. If you have other questions, you can tell us in the comments section below the video and we will get back to you within 24 hours. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to force the phone to restart. Huawei phone not going into recovery mode will consume our time, and the first effective method we should try should be to force restart the Huawei phone. Force restart can close all applications and clear cache to keep Huawei devices in the best condition, and force restart can solve most problems caused by software. So please force restart your Huawei phone. To force restart your Huawei phone, long press the combination key of Huawei phone force restart, power button and volume down button. Long press the combination key for 10 seconds or longer, and wait for the logo or vibration to appear on the Huawei phone screen. At this time, you can let go, your Huawei phone will automatically restart. Wait for the restart to complete, turn off the Huawei phone again and use the combination key to try to enter the Huawei phone recovery mode. Method 2 is system update. Each update of Huawei's operating system represents a new patch or new feature online, and its main purpose is to improve the performance of the device. If your Huawei phone is not entering into recovery mode, then the current update may be able to fix your problem. What you need to do is check or update the system update. Please open the phone settings, then scroll down to Find and click System and Update. Then find and select Software Update in the new interface. If you already have a correct internet connection, the system will automatically check if there is a new version. If there is a new version to be updated, please click Update after the check is complete. After that, please wait patiently for the Huawei phone to be updated. After completion, please turn off the phone again and try to enter the recovery mode using the combination key. Method 3 is to return to the new state. If it is due to other unknown errors that can't enter recovery mode on Huawei phone, then you may need to perform a factory reset. And this is the last method you can do by yourself. Restoring the factory settings will clear all the data in the phone storage space, including contacts, messages, media files and applications stored in the phone memory. So, please back up your data before restoring the factory settings. Now follow the steps below to restore the Huawei phone to factory settings. Please open the phone settings, then scroll down and select the System and Update option. Then find and select the Factory Reset option on the System and Update interface. Then swipe down or directly click the Reset Phone button in the Factory Reset interface. After that, your Huawei phone will start to reset and will finally re-enter the Huawei device main interface. Finally, you can retransfer your backed up data to the Huawei phone. Method 4 is to find help. If the above methods can't boot into Huawei phone recovery mode, I suggest you contact Huawei's official after-sales service center as soon as possible. They have professional repair personnel and equipment, and can accurately diagnose and fix the specific reasons why the phone cannot enter recovery mode. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also tell us your opinions and suggestions in the comment area. Thank you. Wish you good luck.